All right, we are at Chapter 4, Major Scales and the Circle of Fifths. In this video, we are just going to go through sections 1 through 3. 1 through 3 only. All right, we're going to start. This will go, there we go. Here we go. Identify half steps and whole steps on the keyboard. So, a half step is going to be the closest possible different distance between two notes. There can be no notes in between two notes which are separated by a half step. So, for example, from here to here is a half step. Got this white key here and this black key. There's nothing in between. Also from here to here, also half step, nothing in between. A whole step is a distance between two notes such that there is one and only one other note between those notes. So, two halves equal a whole. Here's a half, and then here's another half. That is a whole step. So from this note to this note. Also this note to this note. Skips this note here. And then this note to this note skips this note here. Okay, we are going to identify the distances on the keyboard here as half step or a whole step. So we got this note and this note. Is there a note in between? There certainly is. That is a whole step. Now let's look at this note and this note. Anything in between? No. Half step. How about this one and this one? There is a step or a note in between, so a whole step. How about this and this? Note in between, whole step. This one and this one, nothing in between, half step. My dog is crying at me. You don't like whole and half steps, Tilly? I guess you don't. All right, so we have this note and this note, nothing in between, half step. This note and this note is in between, so whole step. And then finally these two notes here, nothing in between, half step. Okay, that is page 1.